All right, guys. So first off, you guys better be good to the sub today. If you are not, I will know and I will find you. Okay. But I did want to talk about what we are doing. So first thing today, you guys are going to work on this assignment here. Okay, the atomic review or the atom review and the diatomic element research. So when you click on this, for you guys, it's going to be a little bit different because you'll see um, the diatomic research will be kind of the main thing. It's just a link. That one we're going to do in our notebook. We'll get to that in a second. The atomic review assignment will be over on the right side over here because you have a copy of this that you could edit if you want to. Okay, so let's start with that one. So what you guys are going to start out doing is I just want to go through again and just kind of review these key concepts. So it says for this assignment, you'll be going over the major concepts that were learned so far about atoms in the periodic table. Okay, you can complete this assignment in your notebook. So if you'd rather write it and answer these questions, you can, or you can do it on this Google Doc. Okay, either way, when you are done, you must turn it in. Okay, so now you can see there's 10 questions and they kind of progress, right? So they start, okay, what is an atom? What are the three subatomic particles? Um, then we start to look at, okay, what does the periodic table have to do with atoms? And just kind of go through these things that we've talked about, and ultimately ending with this kind of idea of valence electrons determining the properties of the atom. Okay, so we're going to answer these. So if you want to answer them on here, I am okay with that. Or if you'd rather do it in your notebook, either way, we got to turn it in. Okay, so that's the atomic review. That's what you're going to start with. Now, use your time wisely because we got to get through this and we got to get through our diatomic element research. Okay, so that what we're going to do is we've been looking at different groups like the noble gases and the alkali metals or transition metals, but there's this special kind of category of elements known as the diatomic elements. And so what you guys are going to do is in your table groups you guys can work together, but everybody's answering these in their own notebook. Okay, and you're going to turn this in by taking a picture of it just like usual. So you're going to go through these 5 questions. Okay, so it says look up the word diatomic. What does the prefix di mean? What does the word atomic mean? Pretty simple there once we see that, okay? And then you're going to go through and answer these questions. So this one shouldn't take real long, but those are kind of the two things that we need to make sure we get the atomic review assignment done and the diatomic element research done and turned in today. They are due today. Then if you get both of those things done, you can see also on Google Classroom, whoopsie, I posted the 5.2 preparing and identifying diatomic gases lab. So if you get done, what you're going to do is just like usual, you're going to create a section in your notebook for your labs, go through, get your purpose statement done. I do want you to write down the materials on this because they're kind of different for each diatomic gas. And then and that's it. There's no data tables for this lab, and you'll see kind of why. But you need to be able to get your lab title, purpose, and materials done for this one. Okay. So if you have any questions about this, watch this video, read the directions. It should be pretty self-explanatory. Okay. All right. Be good. Bye.